Here we are. Welcome back, Mitten Motorsports. Today we're going to be doing a shocker.
Excited.
This is the old RPM unit. Tough brake. Turns out you got to trim for this little actuator deal there. Came with a V-band. I think I had to buy the V-band separately. Wiring. Bought this little tool too to help take the springs off instead of using the old vice grip.
Yeah, vice grips on vice grips. That's so much fun.
But yeah. We already started taking off the stock V-band, which is coming along decent. We haven't tore it up totally yet. We sprayed some of the old WD on there. Yeah, take that out. Some heat shields. I think we got. What else we got to take off, Justy?
Heat shield, back cover.
Back cover.
This back cover, I think you got to loosen the muffler up and tilt it a little bit. And then just your springs. I know there's a little hose clamp up here that holds the header to the support. O2 sensor. Pull the O2 sensor out. And heat shield.
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure we got to cut, like, notch this little guy out here. At least that's what I've seen on the internet, right?
That is right.
Unfortunately. Oh well.
It is what it is.
Nothing like hacking up a $40,000 machine.
It's the fun of it, right?
And I got this cute little switch. Instead of using the stock switch it came with, I decided to buy a music switch. That way when you want to listen to your engine music, you turn her on. Or if your neighbors want to listen to your engine music. Yeah. Alright, I guess let's get started, huh?
Should be real, should be simple, shouldn't be real simple.
But yeah, this is it. Are you fucking hot? I am sweating, dude. It's like 60 degrees in Michigan and I just immediately start sweating.
It says 55.
Yeah, so
get the fuck out of here. Come on.
what do you think? What do you think, dude? So this is our first piece of merchandise. You got the old MM on there. Show the back, show the back.
Alright, get a nice back shot. We're getting there.
Don't give me back shot.
We're
back.
getting there. Oh my god.
Yeah, if anybody wants to order some, there's no link, no bio, nothing.
Oh my god.
They're not for sale, but it turns out whenever you ask Justin for directions and how long we're gonna get there, he doesn't want to be the bearer of bad news, so he'll just say, hey, we're getting there, don't worry about it. Yeah, that's it.
Oh my god.
Mitten Motorsports, nice little logo there, carbon fiber. Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
She gone. Got the old stock cat out. Why can I not talk? Got the old O2 sensor out of there. Got her in the new one. And now we got to figure out how much we got to cut on this bad boy. Pretty sure we got to cut like right here and around a little bit. But yeah. You find anything?
Yeah, so they only notched a small YouTube of the YouTube.
This is what I notched out. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. But I want to show the viewers, all 2 of them, how Justin likes to live his life. He bought this tool brand new and he said, you know what? Fuck the safety features. So he took that off and said, here Josh, use this. I don't got no safety glasses either.
Oh, the guy gets in your way. You probably wouldn't fit.
Yeah, this is what we cut off. Gonna clean it up a little bit. That way we don't cut our hands putting it back in. We're gonna try her out. If we gotta cut some more, we can cut some more. What do you think?
Not too bad.
Got her in, got her done. Had to fight with the old heat shield a little bit, but we got her. And also we had to trim the heat shield where the other bung was. Otherwise, it sat on top of it and I thought that was a little janky. Then you had to trim the bottom of this other heat shield. Other than that, about the same as the shocker, right?
Yeah, pretty simple and so same minus trimming the shield. Otherwise, pretty much identical.
Yep. I mean, it sounds incredible. We gotta start it, right?
1,000 times better than stock.
Switch right here. Doesn't have the Wi-Fi symbols, but hey, I can't read anyway.
Oh
so. Very nice, very nice. I'll let her warm up, go for a rip.
Go for a spin.
Oh yeah. Get it?
No, it is.
All you gotta do is press a button.
What's that?
Oh.
What was that?
Whoops. Got a little chirp ski with the stock exhaust.
What's that?
Yeah, it gives a little whistle. Bye.